Hello, guys, and welcome back to another episode with Vedika. And today we are going to be exploring one of the top iconic gem in the city of Pune. And I am at the Aga Khan Palace. This place is located in the Yerwada region in Pune. This place holds a very strong importance in terms of architecture and also has a very important significance when it comes to our freedom struggle. हम सब जानते हैं कि इंडिया को स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में बहुत सारे कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ा एंड दिस प्लेस होल्ड्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंसिडेंट इन द सेम केस. This place was built by Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan III in the year 1892. This place was originally built for famine relief projects so as to provide employment to the local crowd. But later, after the Quit India movement, which ended in 1942, influential leaders like Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi, his wife Kasturba Gandhi, and Mahadev Desai were kept here under home arrest under the British Raj. We are going to see many photographs, their personal belongings, their rooms, and a lot of stories inside this place. So let's go. During India's freedom struggle, the National Congress Party led out a movement against the British rule, which was named as Quit India Movement. And this entire movement was led by Mahatma Gandhi. The entire narrative of this entire movement was do or die, and it was against the British rule. Many political leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, his secretary Mahadev Desai, and his beloved wife Kasturba Gandhi were arrested from Mumbai and were brought here under home arrest. This entire palace served as their home arrest where they were kept in detention. ऐसा माना जाता है कि मोहम्मद शाह आगा खां ने ये पैलेस जब बनाया था तब यहाँ के लोगों को मजदूरी के तहत, यहाँ के लोकल्स को एक सोर्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट के तहत वो सिल्वर कॉइन्स दिया करते थे एंड ये सुंदर महल बनाया गया. This महल represents Indian and Italian architecture. You would see Italian arches everywhere, you would see big corridors, you would see big verandas, and this place represents the beauty of Indian architecture. These influential leaders were arrested for a span of over 21 months. यहाँ पे ये 9 अगस्त 1942 को आए थे और इनका ये स्पैन 6 मई 1944 को खत्म हुआ. Within under 1 week of arrest, Sir Mahadev Desai died due to a very bad heart attack, and the date when he died was 15th August 1942. यहाँ पे इसी परिसर में महादेव देसाई सर की समाधि भी है. महात्मा गांधी जी ने उनकी वाइफ को एक टेलीग्राम भी लिखा था जिसमें उन्होंने उनको बताया that he died a martyr and his death should not be grieved upon, rather be celebrated. This place holds lot of incidents like these which make us feel proud for being an Indian. स्वतंत्रता संग्राम से जुड़ी हुई हर एक छोटी खबर का भी प्रसारण हुआ करता था यहीं से, यूजिंग अ वेरी सीक्रेट रेडियो which used to run on the channel 42.68 in Bombay. The main purpose behind this channel was to spread the confidence, the motivation to fight against the British Raj. महात्मा गांधी के स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में उनकी पत्नी कस्तूरबा गांधी का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा था। बा का मन बहुत ही निर्मल था। वह कैद के दिनों में भी सबकी सेवा करती थी। जो लोग बीमार थे उनको खाना देना, उनकी सेवा करना, वह सब करती थी। उनको अस्थमा का प्रॉब्लम था। 22 फरवरी 1944 को लगभग 7:30 बजे रात के उन्होंने अपनी अंतिम सांस ली। उन्होंने अपनी अंतिम सांस बापू के गोद में ही ली। यहीं पे उनके पार्थिव का अंतिम संस्कार भी हुआ। यहाँ पे उनकी समाधि भी है, जो शांति और बलिदान का बहुत बड़ा प्रतीक है। This place has a very weird irony embedded in it. This place was once built to provide employment for the locals around here, but later, by the British Raj, it got converted into this high security prison for influential leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Kasturba Gandhi, Mahadev Desai, Dr. Pyarelal Nair, and his wife, Dr. Sushila Nair too.
Something very tragic happened after Kasturba's death. Gandhiji were not allowed to attend the funeral of his own wife. He requested repeatedly and he was refused repeatedly. Imagine a loss where husband could not light up the pyre of his own beloved wife. Those months changed him completely and left him alone. Since all the top national leaders were jailed at one time, it was very hard to communicate with the outside world. This communication was done through the local crowd here, to the local people here, by putting letters in food baskets, in charkha toolkits, and sometimes in laundry baskets too. This entire strategy helped to support the Quit India movement. इस परिसर में एक पेड़ है जिसे बा और बापू का पेड़ कहा जाता है। ऐसा माना जाता था कि हर शाम कस्तूरबा और गांधी जी यहाँ पर समय गुजारा करते थे।
आगा खान पैलेस की खूबसूरती के पीछे एक बहुत बड़ी कहानी है। कहानी एक संघर्ष की, कहानी आज़ादी के सपनों की। यहाँ आके पता चलता है कि इतिहास बस किताबों में नहीं बसता, कभी कभी वह पत्थरों में, दीवारों में और उस हवा में बसता है जिनसे महान लोग गुजरा करते थे। यहाँ आके भारतीय होने का गर्व होता है।